Hey guys, it's Jennifer DeVivo with Lotus Star Realty. Welcome to 1756 Brockridge Road in Kissimmee, Florida, the heart of South Orlando in the community of Kindred. This Merritt floor plan is only 6 years old. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,739 square feet. It has the double lanai that everybody is looking for and all of the builder upgrades without the builder price. Let's take a look. So I know you're loving this home like I am, but the community, Kindred, has so many amenities, like the luxurious clubhouse with the pool, the cabana, also tennis courts, volleyball courts, soccer fields, and for those of you who love nature, I got you. There are walking trails, green spaces, playgrounds, and a brand new elementary school. Who could ask for anything more? Oh, one more thing, location. Only 30 minutes to downtown Orlando, less than 30 minutes to the International Airport and Universal Studios and all the parks. So reach out to me at 407-921-1310. Come to our open houses, schedule your private showing, and connect with me all over social media. I can't wait to sell you this home.